Welcome to our channel. Today we will be exploring the top 5 places to visit in Mississippi. Our first destination is the stunning Gulf Islands National Seashore, known for its pristine white sandy beaches. Next up is the beautiful Natchez Trace Parkway, a scenic drive through enchanting forests and historic landmarks. Don't miss the vibrant city of Biloxi, home to lively casinos, fabulous seafood, and a rich cultural heritage. For a taste of history, head to Vicksburg National Military Park, where you can explore Civil War-era battlegrounds and monuments. Nature lovers will be in awe at the stunning landscapes and diverse wildlife of DeSoto National Forest. Make sure to visit the charming town of Natchez, filled with antebellum mansions, scenic views, and southern hospitality. Don't forget to add the enchanting city of Ocean Springs to your itinerary, with its vibrant art scene and charming downtown. Another must-see is the Mississippi Museum of Art in Jackson, showcasing a vast collection of American and European masterpieces. No trip to Mississippi is complete without experiencing the soulful sounds of blues in the birthplace of the genre, Clarksdale. Last but not least, explore the charming town of Oxford, home to the University of Mississippi and a lively literary scene. These are just a few of the amazing places to visit in the Magnolia state, so start planning your trip today. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.